Yay, it's working. Hey guys, welcome back. So, gonna do another video on around laptops and stuff. There's a lot of people working from home and also people homeschooling at the moment as well. So I just want to help those people out. So basically what I've done is say for instance you've got a laptop and you don't have another monitor or TV that you can connect to. What I found is you can download an app where you can use a phone, as I've shown here, or you can use a tablet, and I'm using Android, so I'm guessing it can work on iPhone as well. So basically it's an app that you can download from the Play Store, and it kind of quite straightforward to download and install and get it working. I'll show you how to do that. I'm just going to show you how it works for the time being. So as you can see, I've got three screens here. I'm going to press identify. So I've got the first screen, that's the third screen, second screen, and you just organize them the way you want it. So I'm going to just hover over from this screen, just going to go to that one, and then just going to go to that one, as you'll see. It was quite fast, so you got your mouse in the middle one now, and then it's going to go to the last one. So what I'm going to do is show you. Just take this, just drag it along, so you can see it's dragging to the smartphone, and then you can drag it over here, and then you drag it to your main one. So obviously, for demo purposes, obviously you don't use a smartphone, but if you wanted to do that, you can do that. But this is just like a demo kind of thing, so I'm just playing around with it, just to show that you can also do it on different screen sizes, smartphones, different size tablets and things like that. So say for instance you want to use your main window on your laptop and you want to have like your emails or another website on here, so you can carry on with your work and then just keep an eye on stock market or your emails, etc. You can do that. Just move that to the side because that's not needed anymore, just getting in the way. So as you can see, it's quite straightforward at that. Saves you a bit of money, so you don't need to buy a monitor. If you've got a tablet or smartphone or whatever lying around, you can just hook it up and you've got like a secondary screen. Pretty straightforward. Just to show you it's not wired up to anything, it's all wireless. You can see it's just a normal tablet. And what I'm going to do now is show you what app that you want to download to get this sorted. I also wanted to mention that you can also do it on Amazon tablets, but to do that you need to get Google services installed onto your Amazon tablet, and then you'll be able to download the relevant apps. I've got a video on how to do that, so I'm going to put the link in so you guys can go there if you've got an Amazon tablet that you want to use that on. So give that link there so you can go ahead and look at that. So the app itself is called Space Desk, and it's really easy to use and set up. So obviously you just go to the Play Store and then you just type in Space Desk. So I've already got it installed, so it's coming up as that. And then what you do is when you first open it, you'll get this message saying that you need to install the relevant drivers onto your laptop. So go ahead and go to this website, and this is where you will download the relevant drivers to get this working. So https://www.spacedesk.net/ and just get this out of the way. What you would do is just go to download and then download the relevant version. So you've got your 64-bit, Windows 10 and 32-bit, mine's 64-bit. So just go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded it, it will come up obviously here that it's downloaded. For me, because I've already downloaded it, it comes up here. I do showing folder, or just tap it and then you just go through that and then press next and install it. So once you've done that, what you should see is next time you go into your app. So once you've installed it onto your laptop, all the drivers, you'll go back to the app and you'll see that because the tablet and the laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, you'll see your IP address, laptop name, etc. All you do is just press that and it literally just connects, and there you go. Let me just focus in. It's connected up nicely. So what I want to do is just show you that it is finding it. So if I go to identify, okay, wrong way around, it's connected. And obviously what you want to do is go into your resolution and change that, because it might be wrong resolution for your tablet, and then it's literally, that's all it is to it. So if I now just move it along, you'll see on my display that it's moving. And depending how good your connection is, it might be a bit laggy, but because my router is like 3 rooms away, that's high, it's pretty bad. I need to sort out my networking, but once it's done, it's pretty cool. You've got like a cheap kind of monitor that you can use if you don't have a TV or TV or monitor or something like that you can hook up to. Obviously I've got a TV, but it's quite like a nice little handy thing to have. So that's it for the video. Guys, if you have any questions, write them down below. Remember to subscribe. I've got more videos coming up that might be useful for you guys that are, you know, in lockdown and working from home, and to make your life easier, really, nice tips, etc. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.